Hey friends, welcome back to the Destination Baby and Kids YouTube channel. This is Gina. I am your host. Very excited to be here with you today to have a little bit of an Italian high chair showdown. So what are we going to be looking at? We're going to be comparing the two high chairs that you see behind me there. The Inglesina My Time versus the Peg Perego Siesta. So if you haven't yet, now would be a great time to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That is the best way to show your support of this channel. But the next best thing you can do is to head on over to my website, destinationbabykids.com. You can check out these fabulous high chairs in all the colors that they come in, but we also have tons of other stuff on our website. I'm a real brick and mortar store here in the greater San Francisco Bay Area. I've sold baby stuff for over 20 years, so we've got everything best for baby on that website. We've got feeding, high chairs, strollers, car seats, accessories, sun hats, swimsuits, apparel, bath stuff, cribs, dressers, mattresses, really everything best for baby. So destinationbabykids.com, go ahead and save that address in your bookmarks, and then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay, commercial is over. Let's launch into the Inglesina My Time versus the Peg Perego Siesta high chair. Okay, usually I'm working off one spec sheet, but I didn't make one for these two. I have two separate spec sheets, so we may have to go to those while we're talking about them. But we are looking at two very fabulous options for counter height high chairs that can be closer to table height if you want. You can use them with the tray, you can use them without the tray. They both work from 3 months plus. They're both going to go through a suggested range of a 3-year-old. But shockingly, this one that is the darker color, this guy holds 55 pounds. And this guy that's the lighter color holds 45 pounds. So what are we looking at? This lighter colored high chair, this beautiful tan color called Astral, this is the Peg Siesta. So this high chair in this color, there's other colors and you can check them out on my website, destinationbabykids.com. But this high chair is special because although both of these brands, so this one is Peg Perego and this other guy is going to be Inglesina, both of these brands are Italian brands. The Peg Perego is actually made in Italy. So that's going to be one differentiation between these two products. So Peg is made in Italy, whereas Inglesina does make some of their stuff in Italy, but unfortunately this high chair doesn't fall under that umbrella, but it's still a very fabulous option, and they are so close in price that we wanted to compare them, and quite honestly, they're both very, very attractive looking. So that's really the main takeaway here is I hate big, ugly, clunky plastic high chairs, and these are great options if you want all of the features, but you don't want something that looks like it crawled out of the returns bin somewhere. So we love to highlight these fashion forward options. And again, the Italians do the fashions very well. So 55 pounds, 45 pounds. Let's talk about price. The price on the My Time is going to be $299. Price on the Peg Siesta, made in Italy, $329. So only $30 more for the Peg versus the Inglesina. Now, the Peg is more expensive, but it does do a little bit more than the Inglesina does, and that is fair, not surprising. It's a little bit more expensive, so there would be some differences there just in terms of price. But they are both pretty close in terms of price, and they have pretty similar features. So what features are we talking about? Let's turn both of these high chairs profile just so that you all can see what we're talking about. So when I turn them sideways, we're going to be able to demonstrate how their trays work. So both of these high chairs have a one-handed tray operation, meaning that you squeeze a center squeeze and then you'll be able to slide the tray on and off the high chair. Both of these high chairs have a plastic tray that can pop off of the high chair and go into the dishwasher. So they both have dishwasher safe high chair tray tops in addition to the actual tray component itself. Now, one of the differences is going to be Inglesina offers two different positions for the tray, meaning one closer to the body and one slightly further out. So those measurements, because I did measure them, the interior, so this guy that's closer, we're at 6.5 inches from the backrest to that tray component. And then when we pull it out, we're at the 8.5 inches. So you get about an additional 2 inches there. On our Peg Perego, it is 3-position tray. So our closest position is going to be 6.5 inches. Then when we pull out to our next position, that is 8 inches. And then finally, there is a final position at 9.5 inches of depth. So again, 3 position tray, 2 position tray. And speaking of tray positions, if we wanted to remove the tray here and store it, we're gonna be able to do that. There are little pieces on the back, and you go ahead and you have a tray storage down there on the physical back of the high chair. With Peg Perego, they have the same feature where we can store it on the back of the high chair if we want to, but something that is a little different here that the Inglesina doesn't do is that you can actually pull this tray and have it sit up just to sit out of the way to maybe get around without having to remove it and set it on the back of the high chair. So again, an additional feature here that you don't get there, but just little differences between them. Now to push this guy down, there is a red button underneath that side. We'll go ahead and do that. I will pop the tray off and now put it on the back so that you all can see it will do what the Inglesina one does as well. So other differences are that the seats have different height positions. So Inglesina is gonna have 4 height positions overall. How you adjust this chair up and down is on the back. There is like a little gray button on either side of the seat. You engage that and that will slide the seat up or down on its own track. So I'll turn it, tray fell off, but I'll turn it sort of in this direction and we'll move it up. So 1, it's at its tallest, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're given 4 different height positions here with this guy. On our Peg Siesta, this has wheels on the back so I can just spin it. The Inglesina has wheels on the back too. The Inglesina has 2 tires, whereas the Peg has 4 tires. I have the front ones locked right now, but I could unlock them and then I could have a 4-tire steering system on this high chair. I generally keep the front set of tire or wheels locked just out of, you know, my own safety concerns for here at the store. But you at home can certainly hit the buttons on that piece and then this guy will slide back and forth, as you can see. So very, very cool feature if you engage that brake piece and turn it off. So on our up and down height adjustment on our Peg, we have 1 starting at the top. This guy's gonna have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Peg will sit a little bit lower than the Inglesina My Time, as you can see there. And you might think to yourself, well, why would I ever care about the high chair seat sitting lower? If you have siblings like that want to play with the baby or animals that maybe want to sort of get used to smelling the baby, that type of thing, kind of a nice feature that the Peg does go a little bit lower, but I would argue that both are very practically low. Just kind of an interesting feature here. And again, because they're so close in price, we just want to point out and compare. Now, something else that both of these seats will do very nicely is recline. So again, if we look at the seats in their reclined mode, they're both going to have this ability also to adjust their foot plates up, as you can see. But they both would work, like I mentioned, from probably around 3 months plus. I'm going to go ahead and scoot this guy back up. There we go. We'll scoot this guy back up as well. Now they're sitting up higher in that reclined mode. But our Inglesina, I believe, has 3 position recline. So reclined, middle spot, top spot. And then our Peg Perego will have, I think they say 5. So this is our most reclined. That guy, that guy, that guy. Yeah, so maybe 4 or 5, but very, very similar just in terms of how they both work. So very cool features on both of those guys. Now, let's talk about the statistics of the physical sizes of the seat, because for some people that might matter. So I want to make sure I do cover that. And that's, again, where the spec sheet usually is helpful to have it preemptively made, but let's do my best. So my interior width on the My Time is 11.75 inches. The interior width on the Peg Perego Siesta is going to be 10.5 inches. So My Time is definitely a little bit wider. So this piece on both of the seats is called a passive restraint. That's so when you're putting your child in, if they're sitting here, it's something that would prevent them from falling out and forward out of the high chair. So our passive restraint depth on the My Time is 5 inches. Our passive restraint depth on the Siesta is 6 inches. So the Siesta, although it's a slightly narrower seat, you do get a little bit more space front back with that passive restraint. So just something to keep in mind there. Backrest on the Siesta is 18 inches. The backrest on the My Time is like 18.5 to 19, so it definitely has a little bit taller of a backrest. We have a 3 harness height adjustable position on the My Time of 9 inches, 11 inches, 13 inches, and our crotch belt depth is 4 inches. Now, the knee drop on this guy is 7 3/4. On our Inglesina, as I mentioned, this seat is going to be 8.5 inches deep with an 8.5 inch knee drop. And then you also get 2 harness positions for the backrest. One is at 10.5 and the other is at 12.5. So again, they're both pretty close in terms of overall size, but I would say the Inglesina chair is a little bit larger, although the passive restraint is a little bit closer. You get a deeper seat with Peg, which is surprising, and then having that passive restraint be a little bit further out, that would make sense. So just things to keep in mind on both options. Now, if we fold them both up with their trays put on the back, oh, they all come in a couple different colors. So the Inglesina and the Inglesina warranty, because we talked about the Peg warranty being a 5-year warranty, because again, Peg made in Italy with the specialty stores like my store, destinationbabykids.com, they would give you a 5-year warranty. Now, if you bought a Peg Siesta on Amazon or from a big box retailer, you'd only get a 2-year warranty. So that 5-year warranty is something they really offer specially for specialty brick and mortar retail like destinationbabykids.com. So if you're interested in that 5-year warranty, definitely be sure to buy it from my website. Now, Inglesina offers a 2-year warranty. However, you can turn it into a 3-year warranty provided that you go to their website and register their product. So again, 3-year warranty here and ideally 5-year warranty here when you purchase it from a brick and mortar specialty retail. Now, let's go ahead and fold them both like I was saying before to get kind of our smallest folds and see them folded up next to each other, because the idea with either one of these is they could go away if you had guests coming over, right? Because maybe we don't want the high chair out and hanging out. So here is our Inglesina folded up, which looks very good. We'll go ahead and before we do that, let's actually do this first. I struggle a little bit with this one, even though I've sold it for a million years. I'm just never sure what the best order of operation is. There we go. So they both look relatively equivalent to me in terms of the fold. And again, they both weigh about the same. So they're both that 24 pounds. Overall, I would say Inglesina is obviously a little taller. It does look a little wider, but Peg might be a smidge deeper. So the Peg folded is 12.5 inches deep by 23.75 wide by 35 high. And our Inglesina My Time folded up is going to be, oh geez, where did I write it? 38 high, 11 inches deep, and 30.3 wide. So I wasn't too far off. Oh, and did I show off on this Peg? Very cool on the back here. You can see it. On the back of the seat, you do get like a rubber pocket to put stuff back there. So if you want to hide their pacifier, extra nipples for a bottle, that type of thing, easy to do. But both of these guys have, like I said, a lot of colors. So we've got 4 colors for the Inglesina. Dark brown, or excuse me, this dark gray, which is called pepper. They have a butter color. They have a color called mint, which is obviously like a mint green. And then they also do, what is the 4th color? Oh, sugar, which is sort of a blue gray, very pretty. On the Peg, they have an all black called True Black. It looks like Darth Vader. They have this color, which is again the off-white kind of tan brown astral. They have a Tahiti blue. They have a flower print called aquarelle. They have 3 different grays. They have another black with white, and then they have one with brown that has like a wood on the leg instead of the aluminum for the look, and that one's more expensive. But again, you can check that all out on my website, destinationbabykids.com. Okay, hopefully this video was helpful to sort of understand the differences between these products. Again, they are both shockingly close in price, so either way, I think you get a good value for dollar with either one. Just kind of depends on if you want maybe less bells and whistles, a little bit more simplicity, and a slightly larger seat. Then I think the Inglesina My Time is the way to go. If your preference is the Made in Italy, the more color choices, and the more bells and whistles on the high chair, then the Siesta is probably the best option for you. Okay, gang, thank you so much for watching. Again, I think you'd be happy with either. Head on over to my website, destinationbabykids.com. You can check out all the colors, all the fabulous accessories, all kinds of cool stuff there. And we will see you in our next video.